How to fix Instagram freeze keeps stopping easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, just go to settings. Now once you're here, just scroll down until you find apps and then go to apps, and after that go to trades and then click force stop. Go to storage, clear cache, go back, and that's it. Now just open Instagram Threads, and then you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.